Robotics and Coding for Visionary Educators, using Avishkaar by WAAQ Fusion Integrated Services. Avishkaar's 5-pillar solution for STEM education. Avishkaar's comprehensive approach to enhancing STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education, consists of 5 key pillars. Each pillar contributes to a holistic learning experience, empowering both students and educators. Here's a detailed overview. Pillar 1. Innovative Robotics and Coding Learning Kits. Avishkaar provides a variety of robotics kits and accompanying software, AMS, that offer a hands-on and scalable approach to learning robotics and coding. This prepares students for future technological challenges by developing essential 21st-century skills, such as critical thinking, problem-solving, digital literacy, coding skills, engineering knowledge. These kits allow for a comprehensive robotics curriculum that enhances engagement and practical learning. Pillar 2. Engaging Curriculum and Content. The Avishkaar robotics curriculum is designed to be engaging and adaptable, focusing on comprehensive and multi-level learning, hands-on, project-based learning, STEM integration, real-world problem engagement, structured learning pathways, use of industry-standard tools, encouragement of creativity and innovation, support for educators, alignment with global standards. This curriculum is beneficial in various contexts, whether integrated into the regular school schedule or offered as extracurricular programs. Pillar 3. Teacher Training and Professional Development. Avishkaar provides continuous teacher training and certification programs that ensure educators are well-equipped to teach robotics and STEM effectively. The training helps educators align robotics lessons with the broader school curriculum, integrate STEM activities across core subjects like math and science, enhancing the overall educational experience. Pillar 4. Superior Technology Integration and Support. Avishkaar, through its local partner, WAAQ Fusion Integrated Services, emphasizes a customer-centric approach, offering personalized assistance and timely responses, robust post-sales services. Their support includes technical troubleshooting, product guidance, training resources. This proactive engagement ensures smooth implementation of robotics programs in educational institutions, backed by consistent customer feedback and updates to products based on user needs. Pillar 5. Competitions and Events. Avishkaar's robotics competitions, notably the Avishkaar League, are designed to be engaging and educational. They provide a platform for students to showcase their skills, promote collaboration and mentorship, feature real-world challenges and international participation. In conclusion, Avishkaar's 5-pillar solution delivers a comprehensive educational experience benefiting both students and educators.